Do you ever feel like time is slipping away? Like no matter how hard you try, you're always running behind? Here's the truth, most people don't manage time. Time manages them. And that's why they stay stuck, broke, frustrated, and overwhelmed. But in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to take control and never feel behind again. Think about this, billionaires and broke people have the same 24 hours. The difference is how they use those hours. But most people waste their time on things that don't move them forward, scrolling, procrastinating, saying yes to everything. And then, they wonder why they're exhausted but haven't achieved anything. Sound familiar? Here's the scary part. If you don't fix this now, you won't just lose hours, you'll lose years. So here's the fix. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. Successful people identify that 20% and laser focus on it. Before doing anything, ask yourself, will this get me closer to my goals? If not, drop it. Still struggling? Try this, time block your day. Instead of a never-ending to-do list, schedule your most important tasks first. Treat them like non-negotiable appointments. And here's a pro tip. Eliminate distractions. Social media? Set limits. Pointless meetings? Skip them. Energy-draining people? Say no. Every yes to something useless is a no to your success. Right after this video, write down your top 3 goals. Then, for each goal, ask, what's the one thing that will make the biggest impact? Focus on that starting today. Still wasting time? Or ready to take control? If you want more high-impact success tips, hit subscribe now. Because the next video, it's a game changer. See you there.